Imagine you love playing with Lego blocks and you want to build a big castle with them. To make this happen, you need a way to keep track of all the different things you need to do to build it. This is where JIRA comes in. In JIRA, a project is like a special box where you can put all the different things you need to do to build your Lego castle. For example, you might need to sort all your Lego pieces, design the castle and build it piece by piece. Each of those things you need to do is called an issue in JIRA. Now, imagine you put all these issues into the JIRA project box. You can see all the things you need to do in one place. But it doesn't stop there. JIRA also has special boards and workflows to help keep track of your progress. Let's say you use a board to track your Lego building progress. This board could have different columns for each stage of building, like design, building, and testing. As you work on each issue, you can move it from one column to the next. This way, you always know what you've done and what you still need to do. Finally, JIRA has workflows that show you the different steps you need to take to complete each issue. In our Lego castle example, the building column might have a workflow that shows you the different steps to build each part of the castle. So, in summary, a project in JIRA is like a special box where you can put all the different things you need to do to complete a big task, like building a Lego castle. JIRA also has special boards and workflows to help you keep track of your progress and complete each task step by step. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and follow our channel, Just Jingle Tingle.